Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Crypto market going on an absolute bullish market run. Things are looking phenomenal for us. As we can see right here, guys, up almost 3% on the day. Market cap for the crypto market is 1.84 trillion. Now we're getting back to those levels we started to see back in May. Things are starting to look impressive now. As you can see, Bitcoin passing over this $45,000. Now, one of the key resistance points is $45,000. We just got to hold on and continue with this run up almost 4% in the day. Obviously, Bitcoin is the dominating force in the global crypto market. It is the king of coins. Even Ethereum breaking over that 3,000 in this $3,100 range, up almost 3%. Everything in the green. Cannot spot any red anywhere. Things are looking fantastic, but most importantly, this video we're going to be talking about 4 altcoins that are exploding right now in August. And first, guys, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, turning on post notifications, dropping a like on the video if you're getting value out of it. And of course, sign up for Webull if you want free stocks or free money, link in the description below, as well as many other links as well. So here, we're going to go into the first one. So right now, the first one on my list today is XRP. XRP is a huge one. I know it has a huge following. A lot of people very excited about SRP, especially with the allegations in the lawsuit with the SEC, Security Exchange Commission. We can see right now volume down about 10%. In that 3.8 billion, market cap 37 billion. Things are looking really good. Here at this 81 cent, approaching 82 cents. We were at 82 cents just earlier, just about a couple hours back, up over 3% on the day. This one's been doing very impressive over the last week or so, specifically with the entire crypto market, really having a nice run. You can see it was only about 70 cents just a few days back. So we can see here, just back here on Wednesday, hitting the 70 cents and then climbing all the way till about, you have 83 cents, almost 84 cents on Saturday. So within 4 days, really coming up quite a bit. Almost a 20% gain just over those last few days. It did come back a bit. Yesterday was trading about 76, 77 cents throughout the night. This is where I actually picked up some more. I actually bought in some more just to add to my portfolio, as I thought the prices were only going to continue higher. And as we can see, waking up in the morning, just continuing higher, trying to retest that 83, that 84 cents. So we're probably going to see that in the next coming days, as long as Bitcoin and the entire market is rolling. But of course, with Bitcoin being that dominating force, only time will tell. Now, if many of you are not familiar with XRP, you probably have heard about it because, as I mentioned earlier, we have that huge lawsuit with the SEC. But it is important the difference between XRP and Ripple. So Ripple is actually the company, but XRP is the currency, the cryptocurrency. Of course, hopefully at one point we're going to get to this all-time high that XRP had in 2018, nearing a $2.76, so about $2.75 here. So terrific gains, a lot of momentum to the upside for XRP, especially considering the lawsuit and what the outcome could be. Especially if it's in favor for XRP and Ripple, then we could see XRP currency skyrocket. Just really quickly, for people that do not know XRP or haven't heard of Ripple, XRP is the native digital asset of the Ripple platform. Ripple aims to connect banks and payment providers to provide a frictionless experience for sending and receiving money globally. It was originally designed as a day-to-day payment system to speed up and reduce the cost of transactions and provide a mediator currency for exchanges and conversions with minimum commission. Second altcoin on my list for today, Monday, August 9th, is PancakeSwap, so Cake, coming in at $18.31, up almost 4% in the last 24 hours, really doing very well over the last couple weeks. Volume up about 0.5%, 420 million, market cap 3.7 billion. Now we could see in the last 24 hours had some nice price action, a low of $16.99, so basically $17, and a high of 1861. So nice little bit of 3-4% right there. Nice gain. I'll definitely take it for 24 hours. Looking at the chart, we can see it's very impressive over the last week or so. I've been meaning to pick up more of Cake, but it's been absolutely just keeps continuing to climb, and I'm waiting for a nice entry. However, that hasn't been quite possible in the last couple of days, as the entire market's been on a huge run. But if we look at this 1 month chart, we can see that it climbed all the way, it dipped all the way down to about 11 cents. And as you can see, racing all the way up, even hitting almost 19 cents at one point. So looking at that, if you got in at this $11 and selling around now, or just in today's market at that 1861, is about a 70% increase. So you've almost doubled your money. So this is definitely something I'm going to look into. And July 20th wasn't too long ago. It was just about 2-3 weeks ago. And this is where all currencies kind of had their low points for the most part. Most of the altcoins kind of dipped very low around this time. So great opportunity. Many people would be very, very much in the green right now if you decided to sell. If you're just still holding your positions, continue to grow as we're all waiting for Bitcoin to take its next resistance point of 50,000. Many of you who trade altcoins or in cryptocurrency already know about PancakeSwap. They're a huge, huge platform. But in case you're not familiar with them, PancakeSwap is an automated market maker, a decentralized finance application that allows users to exchange tokens, provide liquidity via farming and earning fees in return. So all around they're an exchange. You can exchange your tokens, right? If you want to buy Ethereum, you want to buy Pancake, you want to buy XRP, etc. And then you can provide liquidity using these farming tools. And this is how you earn your money, right? Staking your cryptocurrencies and getting back on your returns, right? So this is really cool, kind of like earning interest. So very, very cool. Just another way to make money. And basically what makes them unique, PancakeSwap uses an automated market maker model, meaning that there are no order books and liquidity pools are used instead, right? So taking a look at the historical data, we can see that the all-time data, which was on April 28th, 2021, reached an all-time high of $42.71. So being in this $18 range, $18.29, we can still over double our money, right? This is definitely a 100xer, not 100xer, sorry, a 2-timer. We can definitely double our money. This is a great investment, and I see this going right back to their all-time highs just as the entire crypto market is rolling. So once we start seeing Bitcoin reach that all-time high of 64, almost 65,000, we're going to see all these other altcoins most likely getting to their nearing old ranges as well, because PancakeSwap, as we mentioned, is a liquidity pool. You have your farming and just your swapping. So a lot of people use it, especially for these altcoins that are not traded on the big platforms. The third altcoin on my list for today is Polygon, which MATIC, coming in at $1.14, up almost 2%, just over 2% actually on the day. Market cap 7.3 billion, up 2% in the last 24 hours. All in all, very healthy. Volume 766 million, up 6%. So things are moving with MATIC. This is another popular altcoin, you know, judging from all the community driven information out there, as well as YouTube. So many people are interested in this coin, having a nice healthy chart. Taking a look at taking a look at the 1 day, about 10% or so over the last day, $1.04 to $1.14. Having the same dip. Here we go, had a nice dip on Sunday, coming down. This was just yesterday, and this was the time to buy because it was raging up and it was on about $1.10, and then it came all the way back down to this $1.04, which we haven't seen this level probably in a week or two. So really nice to see that healthy pullback last night. Last night was actually a great time to buy cryptocurrencies because a lot of them dropped about, you know, anywhere from 3 to about 10%. As I was mentioning, Ripple, you know, that's why I picked up some more Ripple last night because it dropped down so low. As well, we're going to continue to see these going higher. Now, MATIC has been a very popular altcoin. So Polygon, which is previously the MATIC network, is the first well-structured, easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. Its core component is Polygon SDK, a modular, flexible framework that supports building multiple types of applications. So another thing to consider is when we look at the data for the all-time high, $2.44, coming back just in May 17th, 2021. So right around the same time that the majority of the cryptocurrencies had their all-time high, Bitcoin, of course. So if we get to that level, this is over a 2-timer. So you can over double your money, which is phenomenal in my opinion. And we could see this number get over the $2 range very, very soon, right? We're just all waiting to see what Bitcoin does, because Bitcoin being that dominating force, being the leader of the pack, everybody looks to that. So if Bitcoin starts rallying 10, 20%, every other coin's going to follow suit. Even some of the not popular altcoins, right? As long as they're listed and they're out there and there's interest in them, people are going to pump their money into these coins. Fourth and final altcoin for today's video is AAVE, right here, ticker symbol AAVE. $379.39, up almost 5% last 24 hours. In line with volume, up almost 4.5%, just over 4.5, 372 million. Market cap 4.9 billion, very close to that $5 billion market cap, up almost 5% on the day. I love AAVE. This is a huge one for me. Now, the price is obviously a little higher than the other altcoins I mentioned earlier. However, still relatively cheaper compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin. So being near $400, still pricey to, you know, get a substantial portfolio, but definitely one I'm interested in and I think you should take a look at. As you can see, the price action here, 24 hours, going from $347 to $380. So about $33 in the last 24 hours of play on this cryptocurrency, which we're looking at about 10% or so, give or take, right? From the low to the high. So phenomenal gainer. This one tends to move quicker with bigger bursts of upside as well. Can happen to the downside. But if we look at the 7-day, you can see just 7 days ago, Wednesday, less than a week ago actually, on the August 4th, this was at this low here, $300. So as you can see, today's high was 380. We're cents away from it right now. Now, if you were to buy at that 300 level and sell right now, or just hold until right now in that 380, you're looking at about a 26, 27% increase. So almost 30% in just a few days. Definitely a phenomenal runner in my opinion. Just be careful, because if it tends to dip down, you're going to see it retract at 10, 20% as well. And you could be down quite a bit of money, but cryptocurrency is always bouncing up and down. And the way Bitcoin's going, if Bitcoin starts to test the 50,000 level, we're going to see this probably near the $500 level. So things are looking really good for AAVE in my opinion. This is definitely one of my favorite. Out of the list, the two I'm really focused on are AAVE and XRP, which are funny because they're both at opposite ends of the scale. This is the most expensive currency we're looking at today, with XRP being on the lowest price. Now looking at the all-time high, $629. So a little less than a two-bagger, 2x here. However, all-time high, of course, May 17th. Pretty much most of these coins kind of reached their high on this day, as well as Bitcoin, $629. Now, still a long way to go till we hit that. However, I can see this happening quite quickly. Once we get to this, I see this coin definitely, I'm looking at about $1,000 price target for end of year, possibly sometime in the first quarter of 2022. Very similar, AAVE is an open source and non-custodial protocol to earn interest on deposits and borrow assets with a variable or stable interest rate. The protocol is designed for easy integration into your products and services. The AAVE team is a multicultural group of creatives who hold transparency, security, and trust in their core. Okay, so there you have it, guys. The 4 altcoins for today, Monday, August 9th. XRP, PancakeSwap, Cake, Polygon MATIC, and of course AAVE. All right, guys, thanks again for watching the video. I hope you got some value out of it. Please consider subscribing, turning on post notifications, dropping a like on the video, and of course sign up for Webull if you want free stocks and free money. And I will see you all in the next video.